Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to transfer your money from Safepal to your Cash App. First of all, you need to open your Safepal and make sure that you have your crypto in Bitcoin because Cash App only supports Bitcoin. So if you have any other cryptocurrency, you need to swap it to Bitcoin, guys. If you don't know how to swap it, just click swap on the bottom. On the top, you need to choose the available cryptocurrency, and on the bottom, you need to choose Bitcoin. Then click swap, guys. And that's all. Once you will have Bitcoin on Safepal, then you can send your Bitcoin to your Cash App. Now I'll show you how to send it. You need to close this, go to the Cash App. So when you open the Cash App, you need to click the bank icon on the bottom. Here you will see Bitcoin. You need to click Bitcoin, scroll a little bit down, and you need to click deposit Bitcoin. There you will see your Bitcoin wallet address, guys. Just copy the wallet address, go back to Safepal, click Bitcoin, click send. And in this gap, you need to paste the wallet address you just copied from Cash App. Then you need to enter the amount of BTC you want to send, for example, 0.005. So, for example, this amount equals $285. So you need to select the network fee. It depends on the transaction speed, guys. So you need to click next, finalize the transaction, and then you can check your balance on Cash App. That's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.